Children, today we are going to start the structure of carbonyl group. I write here the structure of carbonyl group. Now here in this carbonyl group, this carbon is sp2 hybridized and contains 3 sigma bonds. The fourth valence electron of carbon remains in its p orbital. I repeat, the fourth valence electron of carbon remains in its p orbital and forms a pi bond. With oxygen. Now, this I tell you structure. Oxygen has got 2 non-bonding pairs of electrons, and the pi electron cloud lies above and below the plane. Now, what happens here? Since here in this, I once again write this, oxygen is more electronegative than carbon. It requires a slight partial negative. Carbon becomes partial positive. Due to this is called polar. Bond is polar in nature. And this carbon becomes electrophilic center and this becomes nucleophilic center. One more thing, due to resonance, we can say that the polarity of carbonyl group is explained when I draw the resonance structure. Please see here. This is C double bond O, and if I make the resonance structure, this becomes C. Here the charge is negative, this is positive. This is neutral, and this is dipole. One last thing, this carbonyl group is planar. Why it's planar? Because the angles are of 120 degrees. This is, I write here 120. This is 120 and this is 120 degrees. This is all about the structure of carbonyl group. Let us now come to some very interesting in-text problems. It says, write the structure of the following compounds, and I tell you 2 questions, that is 2 parts have been asked here in the board exam. The first one is alpha methoxy propionaldehyde. This is your alpha methoxy propionaldehyde. Alpha methoxy. This is your alpha methoxy propionaldehyde. The second one is 3-hydroxybutanol. You have to write the structure. This is 3-hydroxybutanol. The third one is 2-hydroxycyclopentane carbohydrate. This is 2-hydroxycyclopentane carbohydrate. The fourth one is 4-oxopentanol. This is your structure 4-oxopentanol. Now the fifth one is di-secondary butyl ketone. These are the 2 groups here, di-secondary butyl and this is ketone. So this becomes di-secondary butyl ketone. And the last one is called 4-fluoroacetophenone. This is the structure of 4-fluoroacetophenone. So we have solved the test problems and we have drawn the structures of all the compounds given here in the test problems.